Alright, so in this video I'll show you how to fix the Rockstar Games Launcher not opening in 2026. If you're clicking it and nothing happens, don't worry. We'll go through the most common fixes step by step. Yeah, so let's get started. First, restart your PC. This sounds simple, but it often fixes background errors that stop the launcher from opening. Next, make sure you're running the launcher as administrator. Right-click on the Rockstar Games Launcher icon and select Run as Administrator. If it still doesn't open, check your internet connection. The launcher needs a stable connection to start properly, so make sure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet is working. Now go to Task Manager and look for any Rockstar or Social Club processes running in the background. End those tasks and try opening the launcher again. Another important step is clearing cache files. Go to your local app data folder and delete the Rockstar Games Launcher cache folder. This can fix corrupted files that block startup. Also, make sure your antivirus or firewall is not blocking the launcher. Sometimes security software can stop it from running, so temporarily disable it to test. If nothing works, try reinstalling the launcher from the official Rockstar Games website. Uninstall the old version first, then install a fresh copy. And finally, restart your PC again after reinstalling to make sure everything loads correctly. And that's it. One of these steps should fix the issue and get your launcher working again. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides like this. I'll see you in the next one. Alright, so